Dear finance professionals and students, welcome to podcast of Fca Deepak Rao, a practicing chartered accountant. Daily news and updates for 3rd April 2026. India is introducing a new credit guarantee scheme to help industries facing higher costs due to the West Asia conflict. This initiative aims to ensure companies can access funding, easing concerns about rising input and logistics expenses. The government is proactively preparing to mitigate any economic stress. Global crude oil prices have surged past $110 per barrel. However, Indian retail fuel prices remain stable. This is due to government excise duty cuts and oil companies absorbing losses. Taxation remains a key factor in India's fuel pricing. Bringing fuel under GST could significantly reduce prices for consumers. PNB Housing Finance has been directed by the National Housing Bank to disclose an additional ₹933 crore in bad loans for March 2023. This divergence arose from non-compliant loan restructurings in financial year 22-23, where interest rates were reduced for competitive reasons. The company states there is no current financial impact. India's microdrama market braces for new wave of competition. The market, currently estimated at $300 million, is projected to exceed $3 billion by 2030. Unlike traditional long-form shows, these are vertical, episodic stories lasting 1 to 2 minutes designed for mobile-first audiences. The format has seen explosive global growth, particularly in China, and is now gaining traction in India as viewing habits fragment across the day. The government on Thursday imposed import curbs on all forms of articles of gold, silver, and platinum, a move aimed at checking misuse of free trade agreements or FTAs. These restrictions will apply irrespective of any prior contract, irrevocable letter of credit, advance payment, shipment status, or any other commitment, the Directorate General of Foreign Trade said in a notification. Accordingly, the benefit of transitional arrangements shall not be available. Eternal Limited, the parent of Zomato, has approved a fresh grant of 74.18 lakh employee stock options or ESOPs, extending its multi-year practice of using equity incentives to retain and reward talent. The company's compensation committee approved the grant, allocating stock options across 3 ESOP schemes introduced over the past decade, reflecting different phases of its expansion. This podcast is sponsored by Sound of CA. We share because we care. Vande Mataram, Jai Hind.